will praise you, O Lord, with my whole heart. Every breath in me declares your goodness. I will tell of all your marvelous works, the seen and the unseen, the victories only you could win. I will be glad and rejoice in you. I will sing to your name, O Most High, for you are worthy of all praise. When my enemies turn back, they stumble and fall in your presence. For you have defended my cause. You sit upon the throne, judging in righteousness. You rebuke the nations, you destroy the wicked. Their names fade like dust in the wind. But you, Lord, endure forever. You have established your throne for judgment, and you will judge the world in righteousness. You rule the people with justice and truth. You, Lord, are a refuge for the oppressed, a shelter in times of trouble. Those who know your name will put their trust in you, for you have never forsaken those who seek you. So I will sing praises to you, Lord, the one who dwells in Zion. I will declare your deeds among the people. You do not forget. You remember the cry of the humble. You see the blood of the innocent, and you will make it right. Have mercy on me, O Lord. See my trouble from those who hate me. You lift me up from the gates of death, so I may proclaim your praise in the gates of Zion and rejoice in your salvation. The nations fall into the pit they have dug. Their own snares have caught their feet. You, Lord, are known by the justice you bring. The wicked are trapped in the work of their own hands. The wicked will turn to the grave, and every nation that forgets God will fade away. But the poor will not be forgotten forever, and the hope of the humble will not perish. Arise, O Lord, let not man prevail. Judge the nations in your presence. Put them in holy fear, O Lord, that all may know they are but men before the living God. Selah. Amen.